All right, good morning, friends. Good morning, leaders all over the world. Fidelis Mr. Purity is my name. All right, I'm excited to share this opportunity with you. Today's presentation is centered on how to make money from QZ Asset Management. QZ Asset Management, creating value beyond wealth, right now is located in 5 countries. Their offices are in 5 countries: China, Hong Kong, Japan, Malaysia, and South Africa. This is a disclaimer. Please, it's important to bear your financial responsibility because everything we'll be sharing here is for educational purpose. So stay with me as we continue to learn. What matters to you matters to us. We need to have a brief history about this company before we launch into investing. This company says that for more than 10 years, we at QZ Asset Management have managed our clients' wealth and serve them as trusted and holistic advisors. In all we do, we are inspired by our purpose, creating value beyond wealth. QZ Asset Management is present in over 4 countries and more than 30 locations, headquarters in Guangzhou, China. We are licensed and regulated by the Asset Management Association of China. With a client-centric approach, we manage over 50 billion yen on behalf of our institution and private clients. Through our proprietary and award-winning fintech solution, the QZ Big Data Artificial Intelligence Analytic, we have constantly achieved strong growth momentum in all market conditions. It's important we get that. It means that they have 10 years history, so let's confirm that. QZ Asset Management licensing and regulatory condition. You say QZ Asset Management is registered and licensed in China. So this is their registration number. For anyone that wants to do due diligence, get this number, go to the Chinese website and investigate. Let me expand this so that we see clearly. I want to show us something here. The full meaning of QZ Asset Management is Guangzhou Quanzin Asset Management Company Limited. So you can see their details for your own personal verification and due diligence. Alright, so let's continue. The driver of growth, a path to success. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the CEO of QZ Asset Management, Professor Blake Yang, a chartered financial analyst, doctorate in economics from London School of Economics. He's the pioneer of the fintech technology called QZBDAI that won an award in Shanghai Fintech Summit 2019. Spearheaded QZ Asset Management remarkable growth of 2,000% over 6 years. Professor Blake Yang joined QZ Asset Management in 2016, and his appointment as the CEO of the company changed the dynamics of the company and brought QZ Asset Management into the internet and the online space. This company has strategic partners, and it's important we get to know about these partners. The strategic partners are their auditor, the KPMG. They have their legal and compliance department team, Delton. They also have liquidity providers, JP Morgan Chase, Barclays, Bank of China, Citi Security, China Construction Bank, ICBC. These are huge financial institutions, and no company will tour with this class of institutional investors if they are not sure of what they claim. I told us that QZ Asset Management is a fintech company. Yes, indeed, they are the proprietors of the Big Data Artificial Intelligence. It says our proprietary market-leading analytic program deploys billions of market trading data in milliseconds with an ultra-high adoption rate under any market situation. This very technology has gone to win awards for this company. They won the 2019 Shanghai Fintech Leadership Award. They also won another award in 2019, the Korea Outstanding Contribution to Artificial Intelligence. This is why I classify QZ Asset Management as a fintech company in addition to their index trading capabilities. QZ Asset Management provides services, and one of their products is the Trade in Stock Index. It says deploying our BDI technology with a robust risk management approach in both direct equity trading and stock index allows us to achieve our primary objectives of generating momentous growth in a sustainable manner. Friends, it's important now we now begin to look at sustainability when we join any project, and that is why we are endeared to QZ Asset Management. The Standard & Poor's 500 Index, S&P 500, is the best single gear of large cap US equities and captures approximately 80% of the available market capitalization. Friends, you can also study about market capitalization of various trading instruments. You have the crypto trade that is below $1 trillion. You have forex trade, which is above 5.6 trillion traded every day. But the S&P 500 trades $37 trillion daily. So it shows you why the rich, the wealthy, go into asset management investments. Trading the S&P 500 with the BDAI technology allows us to hedge our risks, maximizing gains while reducing exposure. So amazing opportunity we have here. If you look at this chart, you will see the BDAI trading performance in the S&P 500 chart. For those of you that do not know the components of S&P 500, these are some of the companies: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. In the financial sector, you have Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan Chase. Health, you have Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer. These are global brands that determine global market. As I told us, the aim of this presentation is to know how to earn. QZ Asset Management, creating value beyond wealth. Grow your wealth and achieve your financial aspiration together with QZ Asset Management. So ladies and gentlemen, the first thing I will introduce to you is the dual benefit and zero losses. QZ Asset Management is assuring you that QZ Asset Management will match your investment dollar for dollar, effectively doubling your asset under management. The new enlarged AUM is also known as dual AUM. It means that whatever you invest, this company will also back that fund one-to-one. So if you put $10,000, they will back it up with under $10,000. It says all BDAM trades are executed with DAUM, effectively doubling all profits. So if they are profit, it means that they will win double. But if there are losses, look at what they put here: zero losses. With a maximum stop loss of 50%, DAUM ensures that your capital is 100% protected in the event of any trading mishap. We all know what happens in trading, so QZ sets a benchmark of 50% stop loss. It means that their own capital that is backing your capital is always exposed to risks rather than yours, ensuring 100% capital protection. There are two ways to earn. Actually, there are three ways to earn. By March, they are going to implement the third. The two ways to earn for now is the QZ Basic and the QZ Elite. And let me explain the QZ Basic. The QZ Basic generally is any investment from $100 to $900 where you earn 3.5% weekly. That means 0.5% daily. 3.5% weekly also represents 14% in a month, which is awesome. You have the QZ Elite. This package welcomes every investment from $1,000 upwards, and you will be earning 7% every week, which is 28% monthly. It's important we begin to appreciate 1%. I thought about the value of 1%. That is what the wealthy look after. They look after 1% because when you multiply 1% by 30 days or 28 days, that is 28%, and it's awesome. You remember we talked about capital protection scheme? This is how it works. When you invest your money in QZ Asset Management, just as I explained to us, the two packages, your basic and the elite, capital protection is immediately implemented. And this is a summary of it. Your own investment is classified as asset under management. So $100 to $900, which is the basic plan, you can top it up at any time, but in hundreds of units. You have the elite, which is 1,000 and above. Now, for every investment you do, either in the basic plan or the elite plan, there is what is called dual asset under management. It means that the company is going to back up that your amount deposited with the same amount because of their stop loss of 50%. You earn ROI weekly 3.5% for basic and 7% for elites. The income cap on this your investment is 4 times, 4x. 4x means times 4. If you invest $10,000, you are going to earn $40,000 within 57 weeks. This is the summary. DAUM is equals to 1 by 1 matching by company. Stop loss is at 50%, as I told us earlier. Weekly payout is every Monday. Today is 9th January 2023. All members of QZ Asset Management will receive their ROI. KYC is very important, mandatory for withdrawals, because this is a financial institution. Minimum withdrawal is $10. Withdrawals will be completed within 48 hours after application. Withdrawal admin fee is only $5, irrespective of what you withdraw. Now, this is a comparison of the traditional investment and what QZ Asset Management offers you. Basically, most of the companies that have failed us is because the ROI are not backed up. There's no capital protection put in place in their trading. Low transparency. You actually don't know what they do. Escrow not applicable. Trades by human, emotional buyers, and some just fraudulent gangsters. But QZ Asset Management provides you with ROI based on 2 times of AUM. Capital protection is 100%. I've explained that. Full transparency. You see everything they are doing. They explain to you how they want to protect your capital and how they trade in the index market using their BDAI technology. Third is that they have third-party escrow. Of course, I told you about the liquidity provider. And they trade by AI, their technology, BDAI. They trade by AI, the BDAI technology. It's fast, bias-free, decision-making strictly follows algorithm. So this is why you should move your funds into QZ Asset Management. All right. Another confidence in investing in QZ Asset Management is a capital redemption. Capital redemption means that at any time you can demand for your funds if you are not longer comfortable, but remember that there are penalties, there are management fees for capital redemption. So let's go through that. For 30 days, if you put within 30 days and you just immediately want to withdraw, they are going to charge you 50%. For 31 days to 60 days, they're going to charge you 25%. 61 days to 90 days, just 10%. And 90 days upwards, it is 0 fees. Now, just as I said, the aim of this presentation is actually to help us earn more. So, first earning opportunity is based on your ROI, where your ROI is the source of your income. But this company wants you to earn much more, and so they have introduced the brokers program. This brokers program is not mandatory. How does it work? You have what is called the affiliate bonus, the binary bonus, and the income cap. The affiliate bonus has to do with your direct referral, direct participation, where you invite people directly and you earn 10%. Your binary bonus has to do with your community's growth, and you earn on your profit zone. Your profit zone is your weak leg. And then you earn income cap of 400%. It means that whatever you do, you earn from your affiliate, you earn from your binary, and earn from your ROI, all cumulate into your 400%. This also is to help the company ensures that they do not overpay. Now, this is how it works. Affiliate bonus are paid instantly. You can withdraw them immediately. Binary bonus are calculated at the end of the day. So they pay you early in the morning the next day. This is the entrepreneur success model called 1228. Now, the 1228 is just based on the metrics, how you can build your team. Please remember, this is only for those that are networkers or those that love other people that want to share. So if you decide to share, please build your team left and right. So this is how it works. If you invite B and C, and B does $100 and C does $1,000, B automatically becomes your weak leg because the volume is lesser than that of C. The company will match $100 out of the $1,000 and pay you 10% of $100. So what you need to do is teach others to do what you have done. If they are still sleeping, you can go ahead and keep building your community. Whatever happens on your weaker leg or your power leg will pay you over time. The binary bonus illustrates how powerful you can generate funds up to your 8th level. So it means that it is endless possibilities of what you can earn from this system. In addition to your affiliate and binary bonus, this company also has a program called International Recognition Program. Right now we are in International Recognition Program 2. We just ended the International Recognition Program 1, where members were awarded cars, wristwatches, and all in cash. So this is how it works. This program is valid from 1st January to 30th April 2023. And we have 5 ranking criteria. Junior Vice President, all you need is 5,000 units. Vice President, 10,000 units. Senior Vice President, 35,000 units. Executive Vice President, 90,000. Director, 300,000. And you'll be given award. For those that will be Junior Vice President, you'll get a cash prize of $888, but you will not be invited to the Shanghai trip. For those that will be Vice President, you only earn the Shanghai trip, all expense paid. For Senior Vice President, you are going to get the Cartier Santos 100 wristwatch and the Shanghai trip. For Executive Vice President, you are going to earn the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak offshore wristwatch and also the Shanghai trip. For those that will be directors, you get the Porsche Panamera GTX car, exotic sports car, and also the Shanghai trip. Now, how do you achieve these points? There's what is called special accelerator. Special accelerator means that for January, February, every point you earn, and the point I mean is every amount you earn from your binary and your affiliate bonus, it's going to be multiplied. For January, it's going to be multiplied by 3. For February, it's going to be multiplied by 2. March and April is going to be 1, 1. So it means that there you have to earn it hard. But in January and February, you have an accelerator. So it means that if you earn $2,000 in cash, it will be multiplied by 3. That gives you 6,000 points. That 6,000 points automatically qualifies you as a Junior Vice President. If you earn $5,000 in cash and it is within January, you will earn 50. It will be multiplied as 15,000 points. That automatically moves you as a Vice President. As a Vice President, all you need is additional $25,000 points, $25,000. So if you have $15,000 earnings, multiplied by 3, that will give you 45,000. Automatically, you are a Senior Vice President. For you to be an Executive Vice President, you need 90,000 points. So target 45,000 cash earnings, and when you multiply it, you are already above 90,000. So if you want to become a director within January, hit the volume of $150,000 in earnings, and you become a director. So this is amazing opportunity where you can be ranked, earn money, earn award trips, and shine forth. Their mission is to make members millionaires in dollars, and this is why they have all these incentives. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this presentation. I believe that you'll make your wise decision to take a step into QZ Asset Management. Thank you. I remain Mr. Purity. See you in the next video.